Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook, right? So let's go into the Facebook. Let me show you the first option, how you can do it. Just click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and if you're using an iOS then you will get in the bottom right side corner, okay? And just scroll it down, go to the setting and privacy, go to the setting, and after that you can see here that my location, right? And here you have to turn it off, right? So just go to the device setting, and after that here it shows the step. So you have to do one thing. You can go from the settings to, or you can just click and hold and go to the app info, right? And here you can see that permissions, and just you have to do one thing. If you have gave the permission for the location, just turn it off. I have already done this, so you have to check this don't allow, right? And after that Facebook will not able to suggest you anything, right? And you will get this irritating suggestion, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.